Hello, dzień dobry, cześć. Today we are going to begin our small course of basic Polish grammar. We believe that in order to learn, speak, read and write properly in Polish, we have to know its grammar. Polish is an Slavic language. It has a very structured grammar. Not difficult, not complex, just structure. And we are going to give you some tips that are going to help you how to learn these grammar tips very easily. Today we are going to begin with the very beginning, and it's that Polish has three grammatical genders. We have masculine, we have feminine, and neutral gender. Please be aware that those are grammatical genders. What does it mean? It means that of course, if we have a man, let's say a bull, okay, they are going to be masculine. But there are many things like chairs, tables, buildings, cars, planes that have different genders. And they are not related because we cannot say that a chair is feminine or is neutral or is masculine. That's the reason it's called grammatical gender. In Polish, as I have already said, we have three genders. We are going to learn one of them, and it's masculine. Please be aware that if you speak a language like Spanish, Portuguese or Italian, it won't be related, the gender you have in your own language, with the gender we have in Polish. For instance, in Spanish we have the word leche. It's a feminine word. In Polish it's a neutral word. So we have to be very aware that we have to learn every word in Polish with its own gender. Fortunately, Polish is a very structured language, as I have already said. And it is easy because in most of cases, in fact, 95% of cases, is very easy to identify the gender of a word just by its ending. Let's begin with the masculine gender. Now we are going to learn about the masculine gender in Polish. With the rules we are going to give you, you can be sure with a probability of 95% that every word that follows these rules is a masculine word in Polish. This is quite simple. We have, in the first category, we have the word that has a consonant ending. We have these examples here: budynek, kot, samochód, samolot. All these words has an ending in consonants. So we can be sure that they are masculine. The other category is quite short and is mostly related to words that are imported from Latin and are related to professions or beliefs. In this case, the word has as an ending the letter A. Here we have, for instance, the word comunista. Even if this word has an A ending, not a consonant one, in this case we can say that it's a masculine word because it belongs to the category of words imported from Latin. This is simple. If we follow these rules, we can be sure that we have a 95% probability that the word we are learning is a masculine word. Thank you for your patience. Next time we are going to learn about the feminine gender. Do zobaczenia.